So after looking at the count of different rows which are present in country column, country table, now let's try to see how we can perform the same operation using Python. All right, so we are going to connect this SQL instance with Python. So let's go back to Jupyter Notebook, and this is our Jupyter Notebook where we are going to use, or we will try to use the MySQL server which is available with us. All right, and as I said that to connect to MySQL, what you need a connector between Python and MySQL. So for between Python and MySQL, we have to use a connector, and this is the connector we have to utilize. Normally with installation, automatically this connector comes as a default, but it is a good practice to try and install it first. Now from Jupyter Notebook, if you want to install any package or any library by Jupyter Notebook, then what you can do, you can write this exclamatory mark, and then pip is a function by which you can install anything in Python. So pip install and then connector name. So connector name is let me run this directly. So if I'm running it, as the connector is already installed on my machine, so it is going it has shown the message that requirement already satisfied. It does mean that the connector is already available on the machine, but if it was not, then it is going to download it and install on your machine, right? So connector is available. As soon as the connector is available, then what we have to do, we have to import the connection or import the connector. To import the connector, what we are doing, we are going to use a function called import, and by import we are importing MySQL connector, and that is going to be added with an alias. That means every time whenever I am running a function, I need not to write MySQL connector. So instead of it, I am trying to write connect. So connect is a new name to this entire connector name. So now connect is the name of my connector instance that has been imported, and now after having that connector imported, we have to connect to our MySQL server. How to connect to MySQL? So for that, we have to use connector instance, that is connect one. That is something we have given as a name. So connect one, and then dot connect. So connect one dot connect is going to connect to MySQL from Python. And for that, there are few mandatory parameter that you have to enter. One is host. So as you are hosting your MySQL on your local machine, so local host has to be entered. Local host has to be entered. Then user, this is going to be user ID by which you are going to access your MySQL, and this is the password which you are using for your MySQL. Once you are entering it, automatically that will be passed in this instance, that is MyDB, and then we are just printing MyDB what is in it. If you see that this entire thing is a connection object of MySQL connector. So by if you see this message, you can confirm that yes, you are now able to connect to MySQL. All right, thank you.